All right, let's check these temperatures real quick. She got a snorkel kit on, cooking in the rain. All right, some of you guys wanted to check out the waste oil burner and get a good look at it. Let's squeeze back out here and look at the waste oil burner. That's the waste oil burner. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and I'm gonna tell you what our design flaw was. Okay, this is the waste oil burner. That's simply a propane bottle with the bottom cut off. Needle valve. It actually needs a better needle valve or two of these so I can get a very fine stream of oil. That's the sight hole that we drilled to see the oil drip down in. First design flaw. This should have been welded across here to create a large pool area for the wicking material, which I'll get back to, and oil to collect. This ramp should not be there. What he did initially was created the pool in the back, and this plate coming down is the burn plate. These two plates get really, really hot, and the oil burns in that part of the chamber, travels forward into there, and of course up and out of the riser. The design flaw, again, this should be blocked off, welded, watertight, okay? And remember, I was saying that we adjusted this drawer in and out of the foot to get the air that we needed. Well, that was hurting us because air coming through the top was hitting the flame and batting it down. So, again, design flaw. We're going to now, again, weld a flat piece across there to make basically a swimming pool. Still have a space for the flame to go through. And on this end, we'll cut the airflow. So, air will come in through the back, travel across the flame and the wicking material, through and out into the riser, and of course heat up the riser tube. But that's a waste oil burner, guys. Basically all you have is a controlled grease fire. That's it. And once it's all done, your setup will look like this. And now I got to give you some full disclosure. This was supposed to be my charcoal. That's my charcoal kiln from the start, and this was supposed to be my just my kiln dried wood. But I got so many people wanting my palm mix, which is my pecan, oak, and mesquite mix charcoal, that I had to go ahead and use both of them to make charcoal. So now I'll get a third one and put down there just for kiln dried wood. So hopefully that helps out. Like I was saying, this is how we adjusted the airflow, just by simply sliding the drawer in and out. But it was hurting us because the air coming in actually cooled the grease. I still got a good burn. It took a little longer than usual, but the proper operation for this, after fixing our design flaw, will for that to be all the way in with the air dampener back on that end, so everything travels in line the way it should. Things got a little messy. This one was leaning forward, so some of the oil came out, which again, design flaw. Once we turn this into a pool, then all the oil will stay in it. But guys, that's charcoal retorts, man. It's short, sweet, simple, scrap material. There's nothing to it, really isn't. There's no designs, no plans. I've seen these things built in 30-gallon barrels. I've seen them built in garbage cans. I've seen them built in some huge, I don't know where they got those stainless steel tanks, but they were huge. It is a really simple design. I could take that green chunk of wood right there and put it in this thing and get out a lump of charcoal bigger than, I mean, forget Fogo. But anyway, that's it, bro.